Why honoring the Sabbath will transform your life. It's a must-read, because the Celebrating Earth at Challenge Coin is our way of saying thank you for your generous gift. And if you can give a gift of $75 or more, we'll send you this Challenge Coin plus Shirley Cook's book. Contact us now, crm.tv, or you can call 888-947-9009. Thank you very much for joining us. That's crm.tv or call 888-947-9009. Jones to Transform Radio is a production of Coral Ridge Ministries at Coral Ridge Presbyterian Church in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Join us at KUTR, Hillsdale, Salt Lake City, and KUTR-3 Pleasant Grove. This is the truth. Breaking news at Town Hall. I'm Bob Anthony in Washington. The National Revisionist Broadcasters have strongly condemned what it calls a premeditated attack on City Church in St. Paul, Minnesota. Radical protesters stormed the sanctuary and terrorized worshipers during the Sunday service yesterday. President and CEO Troy Miller has issued a statement saying in part, quote, "This outrageous assault on a house of God is a wake-up call for every American who values freedom. Christians are under siege with the most persecuted religious group in our nation."
The city authorities have issued a required list of all of Arizona, all of Colorado, all of Idaho, all of Montana, all of New Mexico, all of Utah, and all of Wyoming, beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Text message equals open cap the EAS group consideration text message.
Milk is coming back to school cafeteria.